Wall Street bouncing back Tuesday in a big way from the nasty sell-off that rippled through global stock markets last week. Solid earnings from Goldman Sachs and Johnson & Johnson, along with upbeat economic data on record job openings, fueled the gains. The Dow surging more than 500 points in the biggest one-day stock surge in months. Tech stocks were a major force behind the rally, the tech-heavy Nasdaq jumping roughly 3%. Results out of Netflix after the close could add further fuel to the rebound.
I've been queen barely 10 years.
The streaming media company added nearly 7 million new subscribers worldwide last quarter, which is way more than expected. And Netflix predicts it can add another 9 million subscribers in the fourth quarter. Those subscription numbers sending shares of Netflix soaring in after-hours trade, and the so-called other FANG stocks, Facebook, Amazon, and Google parent Alphabet, jumped on the results.
You probably like that.
By bringing on so many new viewers, Netflix was able to easily beat profit forecasts, with quarterly sales hitting $4 billion. Much of that getting piled right back into new content to keep viewers from straying away to competitors like Amazon Prime Video and Hulu. Reuters media correspondent Lisa Richwine.
Netflix now has a huge head start over everybody else in the market. They've got 137 million streaming customers around the world, which is more than any other current service, and a big lead over companies like Disney and others that plan to enter the market next year.
Netflix is borrowing heavily to keep up a hefty rate of spending for new content, which has bond investors on edge. But long-term stock investors are not as concerned. Despite the growing number of challengers and last week's angst over tech stocks, shares of Netflix are still up 80% year to date.